Imagine you're in silence, but you don't want to miss any important message or call. What if I told you there's a way for your iPhone to alert you to notifications using light instead of sound? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable LED flash for alerts in silent mode, so you won't miss any notifications, even when your phone is muted. Now, before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're informed about all new tutorials. So at the very beginning, go to the home screen, find and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility option, and tap on it to open it. When you open this option, the next thing you need to do is scroll down to the Hearing section, where you'll find the Audio and Visual option. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see several options. The next step is to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll find the option we need, which is LED flash for alerts. Tap on it. Finally, in this section, you'll see several options. Find the option Flash in silent mode, and then tap the switch next to it to enable it. After you enable this option, your iPhone will use the LED flash for notifications only when the phone is in silent mode, meaning there won't be any sound notifications. But you'll still be notified through light. Very useful, right? I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.